Hi Connect friends, it's Sunday morning here for me and I'm just getting my prep done for my salad buckets. Some people call them salads in jars. Mine go into plastic buckets. They're about 1,000 ml. I'm going to make a separate video on how I put them together, but I just wanted to show you my prep before I start. I'd like to break it into 2 days. So yesterday I had some canned beans. I had some beans in the freezer. The ones that were canned, I opened them up, I washed them and put them in a container. I cooked my lentils. I had cooked the black beans as well. And the red kidney beans, I made a big batch of those a couple weeks ago, so I thawed those out and used them. Now today I got the really fresh stuff ready, so I cleaned my lettuce. These buckets are going to be for a friend of mine, and he only likes iceberg lettuce. And I washed and prepped my peppers, my radishes, red cabbage, broke the cauliflower into flowerets. I used the mandolin for my carrots, and then I also use English cucumbers. I like them because they're crunchy and you can eat the skins, but what I do is I cut the seeds out because that might get a little bit mushy, I think, by the end of the week. And then I can buy these different kinds of sprouts already made up. So my next video will be on how I put them all together, and I hope this inspires you to make your own. When there's any leftovers of the beans or any of the other veggies, that really works fine for the rest of my week too. It's a form of batch cooking. So I'll see you on the flip side. This is Jill. Thanks for watching.